Let's talk about embedding your lead intake form on your website in Flashquotes. From our main page, we'll go to Forms. We'll find a lead intake form. We've already previewed and customized this form in some prior videos, and so we're ready to embed it on our website. From there, you click on Share, and then you'll see Embed the Form. Of course, if you're on our checklist within the homepage for getting started, we'd make this really, really easy to see this code, but you can always get to it from Forms and Share. From here, you can click Get the Code, and we've laid out instructions on how to embed the Flashquotes lead intake form onto some of the most common website hosting platforms like Squarespace, WordPress, Webflow, etc. At a high level, you're really taking this script, which then gets embedded into those websites, usually in custom code blocks, and allows that to be rendered and presented and fully integrated with your website. For example, if I flip over to this page, this is a separate domain where we have our lead intake form hosted and ready to go to accept quotes. A couple cool things is if we wanted to change the layout, any changes to the styling of building that form will automatically map over. So maybe if I go back to design and I've changed my color scheme a little bit, I can go ahead and make those changes and see that reflect automatically in my system. When I go back over to the page, if I give it a refresh, it'll actually reload that with the new styling so that you can get it just right so the form looks perfect on your site to get quotes quickly and to book them successfully with Flashquotes. And that is how you embed your lead intake form on your website.